And good evening, and welcome to the bird's turn. And it's the bird's turn for a bath, and we're waiting for birds to take a bath in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, no, you're supposed to go in the water. That was very anticlimactic. What do you mean, forget about it? Aren't you gonna have a bath? You're not so sure about that now? Well, you guys discuss it, okay? And welcome to the bird's bath this evening. The birds are getting ready to take a bath. This is take 3,472. They still haven't gotten into the tub. Are you going to take a bath today, birds? Are you sure about that, Luna? Banjo, are you going to take a bath today? No? Doesn't look good for that? No? You're saying you're clean enough? Okay, you had to go to the bathroom. This is the place to do that, yeah. What about getting in the tub? No, it's a sink, but call it a tub.